Today I thought I would show you some really quick and easy but really beautiful lighting solutions that I have in my home. So the first one I'm going to show you is a bedside table. So it's a do-it-yourself bedside table. All I have done is gone to just a store like a $2 shop or Kmart or Target and bought myself a glass vase. Now I've also bought these that you can get at a number of different craft stores, and again in the craft section of just cheap stores and things like that. They're just glass beads or little glass pebbles. Okay, so what I do is I get my jar and I fill it, well not fill it, but I pop in some glass pebbles in the bottom. Now at Kmart I have purchased a string light, so this is just wire with little LED lights on it, and it is battery operated. Some places you can get them with a plug, so whatever you prefer. I think it cost around $4, and I open the packet, undo the string lights and just kind of scramble it up and then pop that into the vase. And so it's filling most of that space inside the vase, and then you turn it on and it looks beautiful. And at night time they look really effective. It's a really quick, easy and cheap way to have a beautiful and unique bedside lamp. Another lighting solution from Kmart, which was pretty cheap, I think it was around $15, are these festoon lights. So I really love the look of festoon lights in outdoor areas. I'm not sure if I can replicate it, but I'm going to give it a go. So what I've got to hang these are some little metal hooks, which I just got from a hardware store. Just small ones so they're not as obvious. Now on the festoon lights, you could hang these onto the hooks, which is what I'm going to do. You could just hang like Christmas lights, I guess, using the wire. On the box it was suggesting running a wire along where you want to hang the lights and then hooking these along that wire. That way they're not going to droop in the center or anything like that. Light that I wanted to show you is also really simple. It's not a creation of mine, it's just a good product that I thought I'd share. So I bought a lighting strip with an adhesive back from Kmart. It changes color, there's lots of different effects and different colors that you can choose. And what I have done is I have attached it to the back of my daughter's bed head. So you can see the adhesive strip at the back there. And it just plugs into the wall like any other light, but it also comes with this cool little remote, which I've just glue tacked to her bed head so that she doesn't lose it, but also so she can access it easily. And you can press the light and change the colors. There's just a pad of different colors there to help the kids do that themselves. So I'm hoping that tonight when she gets home from school she'll really love it. Pretty cool. You could also put it around your TV or do something else with it. Lastly, I have a macrame creation of mine, which I have another video for, which shows you exactly how to do all of this. Again, it cost about $5 to make. I've used metal screws just to screw it in, which I pre-drilled into my roof. And it hangs out there 24/7, and I just go and flick the light on when I want to use it.